Oh, now look, here's one coming. Nowhere to go. Car coming the other way. Beautiful. Well done. Unbelievable. What do they say about Commodore Utes? Cameras going off and put up these videos.
Yeah.
Someone put up with that the other day. Commodore comes flying past the wagon around.
Another one.
Was that the same one?
I'm not sure, maybe.
I got a feel it is. I reckon we turned come around the freeway. I reckon he went through Digger's Rest because he thought he was going to beat us. I don't know. Unless they do something with him, crush him up or something, I don't know.
So we're straight?
Yeah, we're going straight through.
Okay.
We don't have to, we can get
We
rid
got
of
so far.
Yeah. Oh,
We're waiting at the same roundabout.
That is him because he's got that sticker on it. Yeah, it is him. Yeah. And he's nearly killed himself to do it.
Yeah.